If I told you there was a pill that can make you live longer, think clearer, and feel stronger, you'd probably want it. Well, that pill exists. It's called exercise. But not just any exercise. Science shows there are specific types of movements that actually protect your heart, your brain, and even your cells as you age. Science is clear though, right? Cardio, brisk walking, cycling, swimming, that keeps your heart young and your brain sharp. You know, VO2 max, basically your body's ability to utilize oxygen, is one of the strongest predictors of how long you'll live. Muscle is longevity gold. Science shows weight or lifting weights or doing body weight movements like push-ups and squats prevent frailty, keeps bones strong, and reduces fall risk, a leading danger for older adults. Exercises like stretching, yoga, tai chi, these all protect your joints, reduce injury, and improve balance. And science even shows that Tai Chi reduces fall risk in seniors. So high intensity interval training, HIIT, right? Short bursts of intense exercise like sprints or bike intervals boost mitochondria, insulin sensitivity, and cellular health. Science shows HIIT may help slow aging at the genetic level. Falls happen to be a leading cause of injury in older adults. Science says practicing balance, single leg stands, agility drills, step-ups can literally save your life. Longevity is not just about lifting weights or walking every day. It's about exercise plus food plus stress plus sleep plus purpose. So the longevity formula. If you want a blueprint that's backed by science, cardio 150 minutes a week, strength training 2 to 3 times a week, mobility work daily, balance training twice a week, and add in good sleep, stress control, clean food, sunshine, and hydration. And you basically combine the best of Dr. Berg, Barbara Oneil, and peer-reviewed science. So exercise isn't about punishing your body, you guys, right? It's about protecting your future self. Think of it like this. Every push-up, every walk, every stretch, it's a deposit in your longevity bank account. And the interest, more years, more freedom, and more life in your years. And on this channel, I provide videos, workouts, and food plans that are free. You can watch them. One of them is called Your Blueprint for Weight Loss and Exercise Success. You can get started today. Start turning those years back a little bit. If you guys like this video, hit a like. If you want to start now, go find the playlist, download the free food plans and the exercises, and comment, and then subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can see my motivational videos every morning. That's going to keep you motivated, and more videos like this to show you the importance of what we have to do for longevity. Have a great day.